Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to see the word dash and its phrases. How to use this dash? Let's see. The boy is saying that I have to dash and get home before it rains heavily. The next one is dash off. The time is up. I'm dashing off some keynotes for the meeting. What we do at home, we dash off our homework, we dash off our assignments, we dash off our writings. The next one, dash off something. Here, I'm adding a dash of salt in the salad as it's required. What do we do at home? We add a dash of oil, a dash of water, a dash of sugar. Tell me what the man is doing here using the phrase a dash of sugar. The next one, it's getting late. I must dash and reach my office on foot since I miss my cab. What do you do when you miss your bus? Do you go on foot? Dash against. The man is furious, picked up a pen, and he is going to dash against someone who is testing his temper. What do you do when you are angry? Do you dash the things to the floor? He may dash the pen to the floor. Is this the way we express anger? The next one, dash somebody's hope. The exam results dashed all my hopes of studying abroad. What the sister is going to advise our brother, let's see. Bro, don't lose your heart. Be hopeful. We should not dash our own hopes. What the girl is doing? The girl is in a happy mood. She has picked up a pillow to dash someone. This is an expression of happiness. What do you do when you are happy? How do you express your happiness? The next one is the girl is going dashing up the stairs to catch the train. What do we do at home? We go dashing up the stairs and we come dashing down the stairs, and we must be careful. Find out what happened here. The blue car dashed its head against the back of the other car. This is an accident. The next one is, this is your space. Tell me what's happening in the picture. What are the people doing in the picture? Are they dashing off somewhere? Tell me your answer. What do you notice when you go to the beach? The waves are dashing against the rock. Whenever you go to the beach, please remember this sentence. If this video is useful to learn good English, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a great day today.